Donkey, why you got the long, long face? You got the long face. You still eating? You want that? Another one? Ooh, that was a juicy guy, wasn't it? There you go, donkey.